Good evening traders. Welcome to Learning Intraday Markets YouTube channel. As today is the first day I'm going to load the very first video, I need all your support. So please subscribe and share with your friends and family members, those who are interested in trading and investment. And also please like the video as well. This channel mostly talks about the stock market. The videos will be related to the pre-analysis of Nifty, Bank Nifty and stocks as well. In upcoming days, I will also be loading the videos which are related to the basics of stock market, which can help the beginners, those who are new to stocks and intraday trading. By this, let's we start the Bank Nifty analysis and understand how it has traded today by considering yesterday's levels. Before we start the analysis, there are four important levels that are very much important for us to identify before we predict the levels for tomorrow. In this case, before I start doing analysis for 28th, I will go back and analysis for 27th of August. So the first thing is we need to identify the high of 27th of Bank Nifty. So I will this is the high, so I'm going to make a mark here. So this is I'm drawing an horizontal line to understand, to give me an idea. This is an high. At the same time, I'm going to draw the low of Bank Nifty for the 27th. In this case, I will also identify what is the major support for the market. The first thing, when the market has came to this level, from here the Bank Nifty has bounced, and again it has come back to the same place. Almost it is a double bottom, correct? So I will here what I will do is I will consider this level as somewhat important for Bank Nifty, and again I will also draw a line which can be considered as a resistance for Bank Nifty. The first thing, from this level the market has come, Bank Nifty has come to this level and moved to the same level, and again it has retested the bottom for the day. From here it has bounced back and made a high of this. So here this will also be considered as a resistance, and this will also be because when you consider this as a resistance, the Bank Nifty has took the support here a couple of times, the first time and the second time, and traded below to this for a while, and again it has moved up, right? So this level is going to be very, very important for me. So I will carry these levels for tomorrow, in the sense this 28th. So let's see 28 what it is happen. As soon as the market has opened, there was a flat opening for 28th, and they started trading below to this level, and started moving down towards this support. In between itself, it has got support, and it started moving upside. As we discussed, this is the resistance, and this resistance has become a support after half of the session, and this resistance has acted a good resistance as today as well. So I will maintain these levels. I will not be removing these levels, because these levels are going to be helpful for me in the future days, correct? Now we have come to this 28th of analysis. If you look, this point will remain as high for high for today for Bank Nifty, correct? Yes. And again this one will be maintained as low for the day for Bank Nifty. So I will draw this, and it has spent very good time here. It's almost from it almost spent almost 2 hours from this area to this area. So I will consider this area will be a good support for Bank Nifty if it starts trading tomorrow at this level. So what I will do is I will draw a support line here for me to identify this could be a support area. And now the market has, Bank Nifty has closed at around 51,143. Okay, and we'll try to understand the three scenarios. If the Bank Nifty opens flat, or if it opens gap up, or if it opens gap down. So anything can happen, right? So the first thing is we will discuss if it is a flat opening. Okay, and also I also find one more place here. So we will identify this area also a good support for Bank Nifty, because the Bank Nifty has spent good time here. And again, this support, when this support has been broken, this support has become a resistance, and Bank Nifty started coming downwards direction, right? So I will mark this level as well. Now, if the market opens flat, if the market opens nearby to this level, and if it remains in this position or in this portion, I will be avoiding trading, because it can just spend time here, and it can, there is a high chances of the market can travel in this place, and it can close flat. In case if it is open flat and started moving downwards direction, these levels are going to be act as very good support. So that we have to be very careful when the Bank Nifty is trading at this portions. And if it is open flat and it started trading upward direction, then you will consider these levels as support with your risk and reward. Okay, you can plan it for a position. It can move upward direction again to meet with this resistance. Okay, the first scenario is over. The second scenario is the gap up. For me, if the Bank Nifty is opened with a gap up around 51,230, so what I will be doing is I will wait for some time to understand if the Bank Nifty is taking resistance here. Then I will be planning for a put. I will be planning for a trade which can move towards downwards. Okay, so if the Bank Nifty starts trading here and break this level with a confirmation, I will be making a trade which can give me a target of 51,000. In case if Bank Nifty is opened a gap up and it breaks this level, and so again Bank Nifty can travel to this level to test this level again. Okay, remember this. If the market open gap down, this is the third scenario. If the market opens gap down, there is high chances the market will test this level of 50,950. In case if it started moving downwards, quickly downwards, then we will have a couple of supports here. This level also be considered as a good support, so please mark this level as well. And finally, if starts trading downwards direction, then we will plan for a very good downward direction until 50,400. Not on immediate day, in upcoming days there is a high chances of looking at this position as well. Thank you guys. This analysis would have been helped you guys, and if you want, you can take the levels of what are the levels that I have done, and place your trades accordingly, and have a good day. Good night. Thank you.